Hi, I am Monsi. Today I will teach you the split functions of strings. In Python, this function splits the string into a list of multiple substrings using the delimiter. The default delimiter is a white space. Therefore, this function can be used without passing any parameter. And this is the syntax of the split function. The parameter max split decides the maximum number of occurrences on which split is performed. Default value of this parameter is -1, which means the function will split the string on all occurrences of the delimiter. And here is the example. This is the sample code to use the split function in different parameters. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.